His steering wheel is facing one way. Ooh, that was a close call. That was a close race. Where you at now? Huh? Where you at now with it? What's your next step? It's going straight now. It was just on the wheelie bar, that's why. But other than that,
it's getting better.
Yeah.
You get that wheelie bar down low?
Yeah, you need to.
It's literally on its last setting when it's set.
Ah, the car needs to be dropped. Ooh, that's hitting in the big end now. It was spinning, but it was hitting in the big end. Using reaction? Hey. Alright, we got Sammy over here working hard. Got the top fuel about to come out over there. Got my boy John out here. Got Josh over here working hard. He is working hard. Alright. Yes, you know, a little walk around everybody. Got Russell and John over here. Mustang Matty. Got Chris and Charlene over here. Chris been silent since he got here. He's been working this whole time. That thing's nice, bro. That thing's nice. Ooh, Chris is upgrading there, huh? He's stepping it up. I like that. Nice. Shout out to my boy Chris. Look at his new build. He did that real nice, man. Just getting into the hobby, and he's taking it to a whole nother level. That's 1, 2, 3.
That's what we got coming next week.
Yeah. Got a nice chassis there. That's a nice setup. What's the name of this chassis?
DR10 Pro.
DR10 Pro. Nice DR10 setup right there, guys. Nice. Got RC Speed Monster Wheelie Bar.
It's got a teak and a eliminator 4 in it.
Like I said, I just got my chassis.
Nice. Out here practicing, testing and tuning. What it's all about, trying to get faster.
I like how wide and long that
Right
is.
now, I got an adapter for it.
Really?
That's an adapter for the
Oh, I see. Right here.
Yeah.
So I'm running.
This is the
Brian, nice run, bro. Both lanes, nice run. Car's looking good. You're good.
You got me good out of the hole.
I was spinning though the whole time out that hole.
How do we run on that one?
2.3, 2.7. You running
What, a 2.3?
Yeah.
That's quick.
It's alright.
What was that?
I want to know if I can run that in the left. That was a 2.2.
That was mine.
2.9.
See, I want to. Either way, nice program. Forward brake reverse.
I was spinning that whole time, and I didn't want to let out. 2.4, 2.6. That spinning will definitely hurt you. Shit drive like it got ABC on it.
He's still finishing his lane.
I'm sorry.
Yeah?
I couldn't even see him.
And we got the Stadies back there holding us down.
Need to make my dog go crazy or straight? Whoa, whoa.
Gotcha, Charlie.
Oh!
I got.
Did I?
Why you let off so early? Why you let off so early?
You forgot it in control.
Ooh, Benji came through in a big end. You almost had him. You got him out the hole.
He was feathering. I know when Benji's messing with me.
You took him out the hole.
Nice.
Alright, I gotta turn it up since it's more gearing. Still in the 2-2s though.
We gotta get some sleep if we're not leaving at Fisher at 3 o'clock in the morning. We leave at 3 o'clock and the boat don't leave until 7.
Still took it.
That was a hell of a come out though. That shit just
Bye,
launched
guys.
on the come out. Yeah.
Jay, tell you what, that's a high.
Alright, thank you.
See you later. Good luck tomorrow. That was just a tad bit.
Never know, that might be it. Nah. Still 2-2. All it runs is 2-2. That can't go.
There you go. She was biting but spinning. But she was biting enough where...
Sound like it peaked out in the big end. It said, wait.
Well, gentlemen, have a good night.
You too.
We're gonna take off.
All right, man. Have a good one. Yeah.
There you go.
Still spun, but that's a good run.
This is my slow one.
Only two.
Y'all both set up like y'all knew the light was. You're good.
Battery's done.
I got the third lane.
Gotta turn that bitch down. 2531. Right direction with little man comes. Me, Benji, and Josh left at the testing tune. Out here messing around with the cars. Having fun. Yeah, y'all get up there. It should be red lighted already? Red lighted? Trying to kill off these last battery amps. It was a good day at Tesla. Shout out to everybody that came out. Damn, Benji.
Bullying like always.
Damn, Benji. 2'6", 2'9", but you won.
You don't want to run the corner the stinks? Oh.
I come proper. I'm a Chevy guy.
Get in that
Come with
beam.
bow tie.
There you go. Uh-oh. All that power.
I think you went to go take you out.
Hey, you turned up on me? This little man car. Look at Benji all the way. Benji was...
Crawler in a second.
He just ran an excellent pass and then he went straight left on that. 2.5 all day. I'm consistent. I was gonna drive you out my lane for a second. I'm like, nah. Oh, that thing got on his tippy toes just now coming down. Got the Mustang versus a Chevy. Uh-oh, Chevy. Oh, Mustang. Oh, yo.
I did more.
So we both red lanes. We had some both cash and both leaning on our wheels.
Y'all both red lit?
Yeah.
That was a race.
I really, but still win.
Yeah, gave it to Niger.
I definitely like the line. It's a lot better.